how to use Cash App Boost to save money. So for that, what you're gonna do is simply tap on the card icon on your navigation bar. Then after doing that, we'll get into this page from which all you need to do is tap on Save with Boost. So after tapping on Save with Boost, there will be the further process of how you'll be use it. So in there, what you can do is simply explore all of the boosts that you will be able to get in your digital image of your debit card layout. So what you're gonna do is scroll down through all the available merchant titles such as coffee shops, restaurant, or grocery chain, right? So in order to activate your boost, what you're gonna do is tap on the merchant deal you plan to use and then read the fine print, which actually would be minimum spend or expiration parameters. So in there, what you're going to do is add or activate the boost, and now you'll be able to see the brand's logo pinned into your digital card right here on the cash card, right? So after doing that, you can now make purchase using all of the discounted option of that particular store. So yeah, that is how you will be able to use your Cash App Boost to save money.